So for today, we're going to discuss some applications of linear equations. So let's start with this first problem. The larger of two numbers is 4 more than the smaller, and their sum is 20. Find the numbers. So to solve this, of course, we are going to first represent the unknown by a variable. No? So let x be what? Be the smaller number. What is the sum of the two numbers, guys? The sum is 20. So it means the larger number is what? 20 minus x. Am I right, guys? Because their sum is what? Is 20. If the smaller is x, what is the other number? Which is the larger one? 20 minus x. Okay? So what is said about the two numbers? The larger of the two, so that is 20 minus x. So the larger of the two is 4 more. Is 4 more than the smaller. Is 4 more than the smaller. What is smaller x? 4 more. Okay, guys? So we now have negative 2x is equal to negative 16. What is x? Dividing by negative 2, we have 8. So the smaller is 8 and the larger is what? Guys, 20 minus x, that is 20 minus 8, 12. Okay? So therefore, what is our final answer? The numbers are what? The numbers are 8 and 20 and 12. So these are the answers. No? 8 and 12. Is that clear, children? Okay, so let's have the second problem. Catherine has taken 3 quizzes in algebra and has received grades of 94, 93, and 96. What must she receive on the 4th quiz to achieve an average grade of 95? So do you know what average is, guys? So let x his 4th quiz, no? Grade in his 4th quiz. Grade in her pala. In Katrina's, Katrine's 4th quiz. How to get average, guys? So to get the average, all we have to do is to add the grades in all the quizzes, no? The 3 quizzes has she receives the following grades: 94, 93, and 96, right? Children?
Yes.
So she wants what? She wants an average of 95. If this is what she wants, the average of 95 in all the quizzes, in all the four quizzes, so you just add x, no, to get the sum of the 4 quizzes. You divide by the number of quizzes. Am I correct? So, and this way she will able to get 95. So 94 plus 93 plus 96, that is 283. Plus x, and that is equal to 95 times 4. So that is 380. So x therefore is equal to 380 minus 283. We add on each side of this equation negative 283. Okay, so getting 97. So if she wishes to get an average of 95, she must receive what? 97 on her fourth quiz. Otherwise, she will not get the 95. Okay, guys? So, therefore, she needs what? She needs to receive a grade of 97. 97 on the fourth quiz. Okay? Any question with this? No question? Okay, number 3. Find two consecutive odd integers such that 3/4 of the larger number is 5 more than 1/4 of the smaller number. Find the numbers. Again, find two consecutive odd integers such that 3/4 of the larger number is 5 more than 1/4 of the smaller number. Find the numbers. Which one is to be represented by a variable? Any suggestion, guys? So there are two consecutive odd integers. So let x be the smaller integer, odd integer. Or the first, no? Ito yung first. Because there are only two. So we have the second. First, odd integer. To get the next odd integer, what is supposed to be our number? X plus what? Guys, add 2, no? So add 2. Because if you have 3, the next one is 5, for instance. You add 2. If you keep on adding 2, you will get the next consecutive odd integer to the previous. This is the larger, no? Or the second one. If we will get, let's say we get uneven, so there is no answer to the problem, no? So find two consecutive integers, add, such that 3/4 of the larger, 3/4 of the larger, what is the larger? X plus 2. 3/4 of the larger is 5 more than 1/4. 1/4 of the smaller plus 5, because 5 more. Okay, guys? Is 5 more. So meaning you add what? 5 to 1/4 x, so that it will be equal to 3/4 of x plus 2, or 3/4 of the larger. Get it, guys? Yeah. So this is our working equation. To simplify this, we multiply each side of the equation by 4, getting 3x plus 2. The right side, we have x plus 20. Distribute 3x plus 6 is equal to x plus 20. Collect those with variables on to the left side. So we add negative x, no? So add what? Negative x on each side. To get rid of this 6, we add negative 6. So getting 2x equals 20 minus 6. What is that? 14. Dividing by 2, we get 7. So is this odd? Yes. So the next odd is what? 9. Therefore, the odd numbers are what? Or the numbers are 7 and 9. Okay, children? Do you have any question with that? Okay. What about this? The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 12. So if the 10th digit is 2 more than the units digit, find the number. Okay? So what is the number that we are looking for? A 2-digit number. So let x be units digit of the two-digit number. So the sum is 12. So what is the 10th digit, guys? 12 minus x. 12 minus x is the 10th digit. 10th digit. What is said about them aside from the sum is 12? The 10th digit is two more than the units digit plus 2. Okay, so this is a very simple equation. So negative 2x equals negative 10, no? So what is x? 5. Am I right, guys? What is the 10th digit? 12 minus x, that is 12 minus 5, which is 7. So this is units digit or ones digit, units digit, and this is the 10th digit. What is the number, guys? Anyone? What's the number, guys? Therefore, the number is, guys, still alive, children? 75, na? That's the number. What about number 5? The denominator of a fraction exceeds its numerator by 11. So we have a fraction. If the denominator is decreased by 8 and the numerator is increased by 3, the resulting fraction is 1. Find the original fraction. So again, the denominator of a fraction exceeds its numerator by 11. So if I have, let's say, my fraction, let n the denominator of the fraction. No. Let n be the numerator. What is my denominator, guys? Anyone? Guys, what is my numerator? Children. So numerator is n. What is my denominator, I mean? Denominator is n plus 11, no? Denominator. Am I correct, guys? Again, the denominator of a fraction exceeds its numerator by 11, meaning the denominator is greater than the numerator by 11. So what is my fraction? N over n plus 11. This is my fraction. Huh? This is the given fraction or original fraction. But still unknown. We do not know yet. What is said about this fraction? If the denominator is decreased by 8, if the denominator is decreased by 8, anong mangyayari sa numerator daw? Increased by 3. What is now the new fraction equal to? 1. Simplifying, n plus 3 is equal to, this is what? N plus what? Ano mangyayari, guys? n plus 3.
N
This
plus
is
3,
what?
sir.
An identity, no? So it means there are many possible fractions. Okay, guys? Ano ang n natin? Anong solution natin? N is what? What is n in this equation? Guys. Huh? No, not all real numbers. It's not all real numbers. Ashley. Anyone? What is n? Guys. N is any real number except may exemption. Except what? Except except what? Except -3. What else? Not just -3. Ashley. -11. Kasi ang original fraction is n over n plus 11. If n is -11, we do not have the original fraction. Kapag naman ginawa mo yung condition, magiging n plus 3. Hindi rin pwedeng -3. Kaya lahat ng n as long as what? Not -3, not -11. Is that clear, children? So therefore, ang mga fraction natin is, so therefore, the fraction is what? The fraction is n over n plus 11 form, where what? Where n is not equal to -3 or -11. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
What about number 6? This time it's about geometry. The length of a rectangle is 4 more than twice its width, and its perimeter is 70. What are the dimensions of the rectangle? So let's draw a beautiful rectangle, as beautiful as the K-pop lady Nancy. Nako, naghang. Ayan na naman ang sakit ng lap ng ano. Naghang na naman. Wait muna ha. I think I need to, So this is our rectangle. So the length of the rectangle is 4 more than twice its width. Let W be its width. Lagyan natin ito ng W. What is said about the length? Guys, the length of a rectangle is 4 more than twice its width. So this is 4 more than twice. 2 times W, then 4 more. Okay, guys? 4 more than twice. 2W plus 4. So, when you say perimeter, what's the formula for the perimeter, guys? 2 times length plus the width.
Yes, sir.
So, but what is our L? 2W plus 4. What is our width? W. What is our perimeter? 70. Divide by 2, we get 35 equals, divide by 2. So we get 35 equals, wala na yung 2, no? So this is 2W plus W is 3W, then plus 4. Okay? let's subtract 4 from each side. So meaning we add negative 4. So to get 31 equals what? 3W. Am I correct, children? Guys? So what is W? 31 over 4. Is that right, guys?
Yes po.
Or that is 7 point what? 75 meters. Okay? So what is the length? Length therefore is equal to 2W, 2 times 2.7 times 7, 2 times 7.75 plus 4. So length therefore is equal to 2 times 7.75 plus 4, 19.5 meters. So these are the answers, guys. Or you can write the dimensions as product, no? So therefore, the rectangle is 7 point, nako, naghang na naman. So therefore, the rectangle is 7.75 by what? Meters by 19.50 meters. That clear, guys? Okay. So these are the dimensions of the rectangle. Let's have another one. What about this? So this is about triangle, no? But still perimeter. So the longest side of a triangle is thrice as long as the shortest side and 5 centimeters longer than the third side. So let's draw a triangle, not drawn to scale. So let's just draw a triangle. I'm not going to draw this according to the scale given. This is just to illustrate because we do not know the actual lengths. So that is our triangle. The longest side of a triangle is thrice as long as the shortest side. So let this be the shortest side. Let X this is the shortest side. Let me have this as the longest side. The longest side of a triangle is thrice as long as the shortest side. Thrice as long. And 5 centimeters longer than the third side. So I'm going to postpone the other condition because we can use that as what for our equation. No? So again, the longest side of a triangle is thrice as long as the shortest side and 5 centimeters longer than the third side. Okay? So the perimeter is 44. So let's see, perimeter is 44. Perimeter is 3 times the sides. No? I mean, side 1 plus side 2 pala, sorry. Plus side 3. That's the perimeter. So what's the perimeter? Guys, X, the longest is, let's say S3 is 3X, no? Pwede rin S2, 3X. Let this be S2. We do not know yet. Plus S2 equals 100, 44. And 44 centimeters. So what is S2? S2 is 44 minus 4X. So this is our second side. 44 minus 4X. Okay? The third side, I mean. The longest side of a triangle is thrice as long as the shortest side and 5 centimeters longer than the third side, meaning the other side that is not mentioned yet. So let's call it S sub 3. Yung S sub 2 na lang yung longest side. So ano pa ang sabi sa longest side? Yung longest side daw, that is 3x, is 5 what? Is 5 more than 5 centimeters longer than the third. Ayan ba yung third? 5 centimeters longer. So 44 minus 4x is 5 centimeters longer than the third side. Dagdagan ko itong third side ng 5, equal na sila. Kasi mas malaki si 3x si third side ng 5. Pag dinagdagan ko si longest side ng 5 kaysa third, meaning if I add 5 to the third, equal na yan sa third. Sa longest, I mean. So 3x is equal to 44 minus 5 is 39 minus 4x. So 4x plus 3x is 7x, and that is 39. Ay, 49 pala. Hindi kayo nasagot. Siguro tulog kayo. Ay talaga tulog. 7x equals 49. Oh, what is my x, guys? 7 centimeters. So what are the lengths of each side? So 7 centimeters. Yung isa, yung 3x, we have what is 3 times 7? 21 centimeters. Eh, di ba? Total 44. So 7 plus 21 minus 44, 16. Yung 44 minus 4x is 16. Okay? So these are the sides. Any question so far, guys? Oh, no question. What about number 8? The third side of a triangle is 4 inches longer than the shortest side and 2 inches smaller than the longest side. Para-paras lang naman din to. What is the length of each side? I'll be giving you this as your exercise na lang. Practice nyo na lang itong isang number 8. Paras din halos. Yan din yan. No? Instead the longest, the third. Oh, let's now have this one. A piggy bank contains 20 coins. This is a money problem, no? Or coin problem. A piggy bank contains 20 coins in 25 centavo and 1 peso. Their total value is 8.75. How much of each kind are present? How many of each kind are present? So, magle-let tayo, no? Let x, no. Number of what? Number of 25 centavo coin. There are 20 coins. Therefore, the remaining coins for 1 peso coin. So that is 20 minus x. Number of 1 peso coin. Number of 1 peso coins. The total value is 875. So it means we have to convert either to peso or to centavos, everything, no? So 25 centavo coin. So how many? X times number of coins. 25 centavo coin times number of coins, that is X. So the total is 25X, no? how much is the 1 peso coin? So that is, ang 1 peso coin, how many centavos? 100, right? Am I correct, guys? 20 minus x, multiply to that. Ano yung 875, children? How many centavos yon? Guys, is it 875? No? So let's simplify this equation. 25x plus 100 times 20, that is 2,000. Then minus 100x. Is equal to 875. So this is negative 75. X is equal to 875 minus 2,000. That is negative 1125. What is x? Divide by 75. Negative. So x is positive 15. So what does it mean? So it means there are what? There are 15 25 centavo coin. And what about 1 peso coin? There are 20 coins, no? And 5 1 peso coin. 1 peso coins. Get it, guys? Children, they don't want to answer.
Yes, sir.
Karina paid 125 pesos for 8 hair clips. Some were on sale for 15 pesos and some for 20. How many of each type did she buy? So how much did she spend? She spent 125 pesos for 8 hair clips. But among those 8, meron dong 15 pesos ang cost, merong 20 pesos. Okay? So let x number of hair clips that cost, tapos na to, no? That cost 15 pesos. While 8 minus x, number of what? Number of hair clips that cost 20 pesos. The total is 125, no? So how much did she spend for the first for the cheaper hair clips? So 15x. For the expensive one, we have 20 times 8 minus x, and that is equal to, the total is 125 pesos. Okay? So 15x plus 20 times 8. So we have plus 160. So minus 20x equals 125. Negative 5x is equal to 125 minus 160. That is 35 negative. So what is x? X therefore is 7. So 7 for what? For a cheaper one, and 1 only for the expensive. Okay? 7 hair clips. 7 of what? Of 15 peso hair clip. And 7 of 15 peso hair clips. And then how many 20 peso hair clips? So we have 8 minus 7. 1. 1 of 20 peso hair clips. Perhaps he finds this he found it She found it really nice, no? That's why even expensive, she got it. 1. Okay, guys? Okay, next. No reply. Another problem about coin. Christine has 26.40 pesos. 26.40 pesos. If there are thrice as many 25 peso coin as 5 centavo coin, and twice as many 1 peso coin as 25 centavo coin, and 5 centavo coin combined. Kakalito. Okay? What are we going to do here? Ilang bang coin yan, guys? Tatlo? Tatlong type? 25, 5, and 1 peso coin. Christina, there are thrice as many 25 centavo coin as 5 centavo coin. Guys, sinong ilelat natin? Guys. Guys. What are we going to let? Let what? Let X, number of what? 5 centavo coins. Ilan ang 25 centavo coin? 25x. Na? Ano pa? Itong 25x, number of what to? Guys. $25 centavo coin, no? What about yung yung 1 peso, ilan? Guys.
Sir, excuse me po.
Yeah.
Yung number of 25 centavo coins, hindi po ba siya 3x since thrice as many
Ay,
as...
bakit nga ba 25 na multiply ko? Sorry.
Ayan po.
Thrice, no? I don't know why I wrote 25. Thrice as many. Thrice. Dito ako nakatingin sa 25. Susulat ko 25 centavo coin, hindi ko na nabura. Next, what about 1 peso coin? How much? I mean, how many? And twice as many 1 peso coin as what? Twice. Yung 1 peso coin, twice ng ano? As 25 coin and 5 centavo coin combined, as many as what? As many 1 peso coin as 25 centavo coin and 5 centavo. So x plus what? 3x, right? Tama ba? Combined, di ba? Yung dami daw ng 25 at 5, pag pinumbine, yun ang dami ng 1, twice noon, no? Ang dami ng 1 peso. Am I right? Guys? Boys.
Yes po.
Yan. Ang sabi, and twice as many 1 peso coin as 25 coin and 5 coin combined. So, ilan ang total, guys? So, x 25 centavo. Centavo tayo, ha? Times x. Ito yung amount. Anong total amount ng ng 5 centavo coin? Ay mali. 5 lang pala tong isa. 5x. Yung total amount ng 25 centavo coin, 25 times 3x, right? Yung 1 peso. 1 peso, 100, no? 100 times what? Times, ano ba to pag sinimplify? 8x, no? Am I right, guys? Ayaw sumagot. Guys, so times 8x. And the total is 2640 ba yan? 2640 pag minultiply ng 100. $26.40. Okay, let's total those with variables. 5 plus 25 times 3 plus 100 times 8. So 880. X. Could you please check, guys? O, divide by 2640 divided by 880. So 3. So ilan daw 5 centavo coin? 3. So therefore, 3 5 centavo coin. Yan. 3 of ilang 25 centavo coins? 9. 1 peso coins? 24. Yan. 24 of 1 peso coins. Well, let's check. 24 pesos plus 9 times 25 plus 3 times 5. 2 bakit kulang yata? 24 times 100 pala. Plus 9 times 25 plus 3 times 5. Okay. Divided by 100. 26 pesos 40 centavos. Okay. Any question? Okay, no more question. What about this? A donation box has 5 peso coins and 1 peso coins. When it was empty, there were 55 coins and a total of 155. How many peso coins and 1 peso coins were there? Oh. Anong binuksan daw? Ano ang mga nakuha? Guys. 55 coins, 5 peso coin at 1 peso coin, no? Let x, madali lang to. Let x number of, ang ilat nga natin ng x, yung mas malaki ang amount. Number of 5 peso coin. Kasi, minumultiply yan eh. Ano mo eh, 5 peso coin. Yung 20 minus x, number of, depende naman sa inyo yan, how you are going to represent it. Ay, 55. Mali. 55 coins pala siya. Total is 55. Minus x, ito yung number of 1 peso coin. Para pag minultiply, mas maliit ang multiplier. Mas malaki kasi yung expression na ito. So 5x plus 1, di 1 lang siya. 55 minus x equals, peso na lahat yan, di ba? 155. Therefore, we have 4x equals 100. What is x? 20. Am I right, guys? There were 20 of what? Ano to? Of 5 peso coin.
Sir, 25 po.
25 ba? Mali ako. Oo nga. Oo. 25. Thank you. What about number of 1 peso coin? 30, no? And 30 of what? Of 1 peso coin. Yan, 30 of 1. Tama ba guys? 30 times plus 25 times 5. Okay, 155 the total. Next. This time, age problem. So this is about age problem, and we say that age doesn't matter, no? It can be solid, liquid, gas. How to solve an age problem? So you should know the tenses. Important here, tenses, no? 4 years ago, we use what? Was, were. Present age is, future age will be. Yan. Okay, guys? Oh. So, 4 years ago, Norman was 3 times the age of his daughter, Annalyn. In 10 years, he will be twice her age. How old are they? So we make a table, no? So Norman, Annalyn, her daughter. His daughter, Annalyn. We are going to have 4 years ago, present age. Sa gitna natin yung present age. Present age. Present age. Future age here, meaning age in 10 years. Age in 10 years. So dito, age in 4 years ago. Age 4 years ago. Yan. So 4 years ago, Norman was 3 times the age of his daughter, Annalyn. So it is convenient to let in their past age, no? So Norman, let X be the, o kaya dito kahit present pa lang, dito tayo mag-solve. Pwede naman kung saan kayo gusto niyo maglagay. Let X be the present age of Annalyn. Saan ba tayo? Teka. Norman was 3 times the age of his daughter. O dito pala. Dito kung may comparison sa 4 years ago at saka sa 10 years, pwede kayong doon maglagay. O dito tayo maglagay muna sa 4 years ago. So let X be the age of Annalyn 4 years ago. Let X be the age of Annalyn 4 years ago. What was Norman's age 4 years ago? 3 times 3x. That was 4 years ago, ha? 3x. While Annalyn was x. Because Norman was 3 times the age of his daughter 4 years ago. So that was 4 years ago. That was the relationship of their ages 4 years ago. So present, what is the present age? If I was 3x 4 years ago, how old am I now, children? Guys, 3x plus 4. What about Annalyn? X plus 4. Is that correct, children? In 10 years, he will be what? So 3x plus 4 plus 10 for Norman. Or that is 3x plus 14. What about Annalyn? That is x plus 4 plus what? Plus 10. Or that will be x plus 14 in the future. Okay, guys? Guys, naintindihan ba, guys?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Oh. But in 10 years, dahil nagamit ko na yung 3 times, guys, depende yan kung paano ang representation niya. You can have your own. It doesn't matter kung sa age in 10 years kayo nagsimula ng comparison. Dahil nagamit ko na yung comparison na to, guys, this comparison, I used this already 4 years ago. I used it here. So I can no longer use this. O, ito na lang in 10 years. O, anong sabi in 10 years? He will be in 10 years, in 10 years, what is 10 years? In 10 years, he will be 3x. So Norman, that he will be what? In 10 years, Norman, so he will be twice her age, twice the age of Annalyn. Anong age ni Annalyn in 10 years? X plus 14. Okay, so this is now 2x plus 28. This is equal to 3x plus 14. So x therefore is what? 14. Oh, how old are they? Oh, balikan natin yung present age. 3x plus 4. What is 3x plus 4? Guys, 3 times 14 plus 4. Oh, what is that, children? 46. So 46 years old. Who is this, children? Norman. What about this one? X plus 4. So that is 14 plus 4. How old is Annalyn? 18. Oh, it's very young, no? Annalyn. Pero 46, meron na siyang college. No? Maaga siya nag-asawa. Annalyn. Okay. Any question with this, guys? No more question. What about number 14? Number 14. The sum of the ages of Ariel, Orlan, and Gerald is 27. 3 years from now, Orlan will be 4 times as old as Ariel. That 3 years from now, no? That will be their ages, the relationship. If Gerald was twice as old as Ariel 3 years ago, how old are they? Gawa tayong table, ha? Depende kung anong gagamitin yung relationship in constructing the ages in table, in entering data. Ariel, Orlan, Gerald. Ano bang tinatanong? How old are they? Yan. So, because how old are they, gusto kong magsimula dito. Sino ba ang kinumpare? 3 years from now, and Orlan will be 4 times as old as Ariel. Present. Gusto ko present. Present. Ito age. Age in 4 years. Age 3 years ago. Yan. Okay, guys? Guys. So, sino ba tinatanong? How old are they, no? Saan ako magsisimula, guys? Saan niyo gusto magsimula? Children, saan niyo gusto magsimula? Maglagay ng age. Boys. Pwede ba kung kay Ariel magsimula?
Sir,
Guys?
excuse po.
Yes.
Yung sa age in 4 years po, hindi po ba dapat age in 3 years din po yun? Kasi 3 years
The
from
3 years pa
now
naman.
or...
3 years? 3 years.
Yun,
Sorry.
Papa.
Kala ko
Thank you
4 years ago. Kala ko in 4 years. In 3 years pala, sorry. 3 years. Ang tingin ko in 4 years eh. Ito yung nakita ko. 3 years din. Okay. Anong gagawin? Saan ako magsisimula? Pwede magsimula?
Kay Ariel po.
Kay Ariel. Present o past tense o I mean 3 years ago or in 3 years? Pwede ba sa present? Iho? Ako magsimula. Iho. Yes, no? X to X. Kung X si Ariel, anong edad ni Ariel 3 years ago? What was Ariel's age 3 years ago? X minus 3. Na? What about his age in 3 years? He will be what? X plus 3. Okay, guys? 3 years ago, 3 years, in 3 years, 3 years from now, 3 years from now, Orlan will be 4 times the age of Ariel, no? So Orlan is 4 times the age of what? Ariel. Am I correct, children?
Yes po, sir.
Yan, 4x plus 12. Kaya gagawa ka nito. 3 years from now, Orlan will be 4 times as old. So you multiply the age of Ariel times 4. That will be the age of Orlan in 3 years or 3 years from now, from the present age. Okay? So what is the present age of Orlan? 4x plus 12 minus 3. 9?
po.
Yan. What was his age 3 years ago? 4x plus 6 na? O, may table na ako. O, doon naman sa next line. If Gerald naman sa twice was. So, age 3 years ago yon. Gerald was twice of what? O, as old as Ariel. O, what is the age of Ariel? X minus 3.
X minus 3 po.
2 times of that. Or what is the present age of Ariel? So this is equal to what? 2x minus 6 now. So magiging 2x negative 6 plus 3 minus 3 na? And then age in 3 years of Gerald, 2x. Am I right? Guys? We have completed the table. Ano na lang hindi ko nagamit na condition or situation? Yung sum, right? Present yun, present. So, x plus 4x plus 9, yan, plus 2x minus 3 is equal to what? Guys, 27. X plus 4x plus 2x, 6, 7x is equal to 27 minus 9 minus 3. Ilan guys? 6. So, minus 6 na? Am I right? So, it is 21. So, 7x. So, what is x, children?
3 po.
3. How old is Ariel? 3 years old. Ariel to, no? What about si Orlan? 3 times 4 times 9, 4 times x plus 9. So 12 plus 9. 21. Orlan. What about Gerald? 2x minus 3. So 6 minus 3. 3? Am I right, guys? Children. Is that correct, guys?
Yes po, sir.
Okay. So it means Ariel and Gerald are of the same age na? Yan. Same age. Kaya dapat in the future at in the past, paras din ang ages ni Ariel at ni Gerald. Lagi. Kasi magkasintanda sila. Okay ba, guys? Okay, next. What about number 15? Usano is 24 years old. He is twice as old as Goldie was when he was as old as Goldie is now. Oh, how old is Goldie? Okay, I will give incentives. So whoever will able to answer this. Who wants to present solution? But I do not want answer only, ha? You have to show solution. Guys, you can write the solution or post the solution in the chat box. Guys, Usano-Goldie. These are my dogs. But the age that you will get, that not their ages. Ano yung working equation? By anyone? Dahil may plus. Talagyan ko ng plus 5 sa quiz 2. The person who will able to present the solution. Kasi kung minsan madaling sagutin yung na may mental yung pa-practical yung answer. Mayroon magaling mag-practical ang answer pero hindi alam i-algebra, no? Guys? Bye guys. Sige, who wants to try? Come on. Children. Sige, I'll give you chance. The first one who will able to post in our FB group the solution. Ano yan ang hint? May variable sa heading. Dito sa heading na gagawin nyo may variable. Pero depende sa nyo. Ay hindi. Basta depende sa inyo kung ano yung working equation nyo. Depende kung ano. Kasi check nyo yung mga isatwas I-post nyo sa ating FB group Okay guys, kung wala ng question, so that is and then we will continue next meeting for other problems. Okay children? Guys, we will be having mixture problem, investment problem, mixture problems. 3 more problems. Ay, mayroon pang work pala. Work and ano pa ba yan? Work and distance problem. Okay na guys? Guys, nakopya na yung problem. Ang unang makakapost ang may plus sa ating FB group. I-message, i-ano nyo doon, i-post nyo. Nakikita ko naman yung oras kung sino yung unang magpo-post. Sa FB group ay not 12, 12. At saka ayaw ko ng sagot lang. Go, 12 is not the correct answer. Okay na guys Okay, nakopya ba na yung problem, children? Okay
Yes,
na
sir.
Wala na question? I-post nyo